The old shop's a mess at the moment. I've finally sorted that bench over there, the blue top bench, which is generally my part salvage and tear down bench. Well, it was supposed to be, but it was always covered in absolute layers of crap, unsorted components, new components, salvage components, the whole lot. Procrastinating for so long to get that done. But finally decided to stop making videos and do some housekeeping, because this bench here has basically been a sorting bench for that lot over there. And then new tubs, labelled tubs over here with a decent, nice clear font. Look at that. That's being organised. And I haven't finished yet. I've still got all those tubs over there, still empty. The old workbench, I've got a repair job currently going at the moment, but I haven't been able to finish that just yet. But yeah, that's where I'm at. These tubs up here, starting to get component level sorting done. New capacitors, I've got salvage capacitors up here. You can tell because they've got short legs, they've all been pulled out of working machines. Some have been tested, but if I were to use them in projects for repairs, I'd obviously run them through my ESR meter first. And yeah, starting to get some sanity in this area. Still got some smaller boxes there for smaller componentry once I've further refined. See, like here I've got a tub of chokes and little formers and whatnot, which will go into a container. Piezo speakers, and the speakers themselves will be separately. See, it's got a busted wire on it. That's probably got to go in the bin. But just general stuff. Look at that box of knobs. How many knobs can a guy have? But yeah, this is the sort of thing I'm trying to aim for. And then this will be more of a project space as well as my e-bench. Got too much shit. But I'm getting there. I'm getting it sorted. It's becoming a lot more organised. And then when you've got organisation, it sort of lends to being motivated to do projects, because you're not sorting through a load of crap, and you can find what you're looking for and whatnot. So that's the plan. Poor old fan here had a broken shroud, so I 3D printed a new one for it, and it works a treat. Spins beautifully. The fan still works, but now it's got a new lease on life. And that's just some really disgusting brown ABS, and it's worked out well. So that's the sort of stuff you can, revitalise. This bottom shelf here is just bits and pieces. Up behind there is tubs. You probably can't see them, but there is tubs of sorted stuff. So this is just a little accumulation of bits and pieces as I've been sorting all this junk out. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. But we're getting there. There you go. I'll see you in the next video.